So the card number, you can see there that it's already showing up the logo, which is Visa. So for the place where you'll be putting a name on the card. Hey guys, my name is Dennis from Unboxed Solution and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you wanna watch tutorial videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and smash the bell icon so you don't miss anything. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, please comment it below. And let's get started. We are here now at lazada.com.ph where we are going to initiate the order. So first, if you have no account yet with Lazada, just click on sign up and fill up all the required information. Just type in all your information there, male or female, or if you want to, you can also sign up using your Google account or your Facebook account. But I already have an account, so I'll be clicking on login. So okay, just I will be logging in now. So all you need to do is just look for the product that you want to order. So this is the product that I'm going to order. So all you need to do is just add it to cart, and there you can see the product. It's already added on your cart, but I will be only ordering one, so supposed to be it's only 754, but it's showing me 1,500 because there are two items on the cart. So all you need to do is just click this little pen there, and then we are going to edit the quantity. So instead of 2, I'll be putting it on 1 so that it will become 754.99. So just go ahead and proceed to checkout. On the second page, it will ask for your shipping address and your contact information. So since I don't have those numbers anymore, what I'm going to do is I'll be adding another address. And you also need to choose the delivery information. You can choose from standard delivery to you can also pick it up on SM Store Makati. I don't know where that is, but I'll be choosing standard delivery, which is free. So just click on continue. And by the way, before we continue, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos. Make sure to click also the bell icon so you will receive notifications whenever I upload a new video, which might be a helpful tutorials for your everyday life. So let's go ahead and continue. So you'll be choosing the payment option. What we are going to do now, since we are going to use the GCash Mastercard, that's the physical card, we are going to choose the credit or debit card. So just click on that. But you also have other options here like Alipay or PayPal if you have a PayPal account. I have a PayPal account which is also linked to my GCash, so I'll just be rather using my card. So all you need to do is just type in the card number. So I'll be putting it on blur for the moment for my own security. So the card number, you can see there that it's already showing up the logo, which is Visa. So for the place where you'll be putting a name on the card, since our card doesn't have any name, what you're going to put there is what is the name on your account. So instead of name on card, since there is no name on our card, on GCash card or Paymaya card or any other prepaid card here in the Philippines, we're going to put our name, hoping that your name is the account holder's name. Putting my name there. So just click on place your order. Okay, your payment is processing. This may take up to 2 minutes. Please do not refresh or leave this page. You are now redirected back to Lazada once they've completed the processing of the payment. You will see this confirmation message, and you will also receive an email from Lazada, the email that is registered to your Lazada account. But once you already received this confirmation message that says congratulations, your order confirmation is there. It means that you have successfully placed the order. Okay, so let's check my Gmail. Here is the email that will be sent to you by Lazada. So there has been placed on Thursday, February 8, 2018 via credit or debit card. You will see the order confirmation, the item that you've ordered, and the amount that will be deducted from your account. So for now, we will be waiting for this order, and once I receive this order, I'll be making also a video about this item. I will be doing unboxing, setup, my insight about this product. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can receive notification. And if you have any question regarding this process, please comment it below. I'll make sure to respond to you as soon as possible. You can also send me a message on Messenger. Just check the description for the link. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. If not, just click the thumbs down. And if you know someone that will be needing this tutorial, please share this on Facebook. Thank you so much. Again, my name is Dennis. Thank you for watching and have a great day.